Check out this new 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 19 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the tailgate, locking, seat adjuster, driver 6-way power seats, front 40/20/40 split bench, 3-passenger, driver and front passenger manual reclining, air conditioning, dual-zone automatic climate control, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, engine, Vortec 4.8L variable valve timing speed flex fuel, engine, Vortec 5.3L variable valve timing speed flex fuel with active fuel management, emissions override, federal, emissions, Arizona, Connecticut, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Wheels, 417 inches x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, aluminum, 5-spoke, All-Star Edition, tailgate, S-lift, wheels, 417 x 7.5, 43.2 centimeters x 19.1 centimeters, 6-lug chrome-styled steel, steering wheel controls, mounted audio controls, Bluetooth for phone, LPO, all-weather floor mats, ebony deep-ribbed rubber, LPO, under-seat storage, composite storage bin under the rear seat, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 888-430-8589 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.